Lawmakers may soon face a career crossroads. A law limiting outside income to $35,000 is being challenged, potentially forcing some legislators to choose between their state salaries and their outside earnings.
Our Capitol correspondent Jamie DeLine explains the legal fight and the impact it could have on state government.
The New York state law limiting outside income to $35,000 for lawmakers was passed to help prevent conflicts of interest. That law was challenged in court.
The challenge really was made by some lawmakers that they didn't like the law that had passed, basically saying that they were the state constitution anticipated what they call citizen lawmakers who were allowed to have outside income, that it was important to have that sort of perspective of being on the outside as well as on the inside.
A judge ruled this month to uphold most of the law. However, an appeal is expected. The Assembly's Republican leader wants the outside income limit to be paused until 2027. On Wednesday, I asked Senate Minority Leader Rob Ortt about the law.
How many lawmakers do you think that this could really impact in your
I have no idea, Jamie. I have no idea. Maybe in our conference could be a handful that it would impact. But when I say impact, that doesn't mean a handful are leaving. It just means there's a handful that they have to sort of review their situation and see what works under the law, and if there's still a way they can remain. I can tell you every single person here wants to remain.
I asked Democratic Senator Mike Gianaris the same question.
I think there may be a member or two that is also going to face that decision, but obviously we passed the law, so we went into it with eyes wide open, knowing exactly what we were enacting, and I think our members are prepared to stand behind it.
According to court documents, approximately 26 Assembly members and 12 senators would have to decide on whether to stay in office. In Albany, I'm Jamie DeLine.
Getting your Social Security